Okay, so you want to know how to make your YouTube thumbnails 10 times better. In this video, I'll give you 5 tips that you can apply right now to your thumbnails to make them 10 times better. Number 1, make your text glow. Even if it's just a subtle change, it actually makes a huge difference if the text is glowing. It's also really easy to do and literally takes 3 seconds. Number 2, use a bold sans serif font. Here are 2 pictures of the same thumbnail, except the font is different. Which one looks better? You probably said the one on the right. That is the sans serif font. Sans serif fonts are like a modern type of font, and people will often click on thumbnails with sans serif fonts. Number 3, blur the background. It depends on the thumbnail, but a lot of times thumbnails are better when the main subject is easier to find. So if you have a distracting background, try to add a subtle blur to it and it'll make the thumbnail more clickable. Number 4, increase the saturation of the subject. Don't oversaturate it, but just a little bit of saturation on the main thing can do a lot. I would also recommend desaturating the background a bit so it's easier to look at the main subject. Number 5, try out your thumbnails before you publish videos. Go to thumbsup.tv and upload your thumbnail and then paste in your title. Would you click on that video? Can you even see what's in the thumbnail? Usually beginners making thumbnails will try to add as many details as possible, but that just makes the thumbnail look complicated and cluttered. Try to make your thumbnails minimalistic with 2 to 4 subjects. This also includes text. That's about it for this video. If you liked the video, please subscribe, and we're about to hit 9 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe again.